Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily block ads on Facebook in 2023, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your browser and go to facebook.com. From here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Settings. Tap on Account Center, and then from here tap on Ad Preferences. Tap on Advertisers you've seen. From here, tap on See More to reveal every advertiser, and go ahead and tap on Hide Ads next to everyone, and do that to everyone individually. Once you're done, go back and tap on Add Topics, tap on each topic, and then tap on See Less. Do that individually with each topic. After that, tap on Ad Settings, tap on Categories Used to Reach You, and then scroll down right here to the bottom and tap Other Categories. Now from here, if you find any category, go ahead and remove it, and that should solve your problem. You won't see as much ads as before, or in sometimes you won't find any ads at all, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.